Imagine getting into an accident and having zero proof. No evidence. No protection. That's exactly why a dash cam in 2026 is no longer optional. It's essential. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams in 2026, from budget picks to premium security beasts. Links to all products are in the description below so you can grab the best deals. Coming in at number 5, the Garmin Mini 2. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, renewed, proves that powerful protection doesn't have to come in a bulky package. Designed to be incredibly small, about the size of a car key, this compact dash cam tucks discreetly behind your rearview mirror, staying out of sight while continuously watching over your vehicle. Despite its tiny size, it delivers crisp 1080p HD video with a wide 140-degree field of view, capturing clear, detailed footage of the road ahead. Whether it's a sudden incident or an unexpected moment, you'll have reliable video evidence when it matters most. Garmin's HDR technology enhances visibility in both bright sunlight and low-light conditions, ensuring balanced, usable recordings day or night. What truly sets the Mini 2 apart is its smart connectivity. With built-in Wi-Fi and the Garmin Drive app, you can easily access, download, and share footage directly from your smartphone. The Live View monitoring feature lets you check on your parked vehicle remotely, giving you added peace of mind when you're away. Hands full? No problem. The dash cam supports voice control, allowing you to save video clips, start/stop audio recording, or take snapshots without taking your hands off the wheel. It's a safer, more convenient way to stay in control while driving. As a renewed product, this unit has been professionally inspected and tested to meet Garmin's quality standards, offering excellent performance at a more affordable price point. Simple, discreet, and dependable, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is perfect for drivers who want hassle-free security without clutter. It's a small device that delivers big confidence every time you hit the road. At number 4, the 70mm A810, one of the best budget 4K dash cams right now. The 70mm A810's 4K dual dash cam is built for drivers who want crystal-clear evidence, intelligent safety, and round-the-clock protection, all in one powerful system. Designed with cutting-edge imaging technology, this dash cam captures stunning true 4K front footage and detailed rear recordings, ensuring every moment on the road is documented with precision. At the heart of its performance is the advanced Starvis 2 sensor with HDR, delivering exceptional clarity even in low-light conditions. Whether you're driving at night, through tunnels, or in harsh lighting, license plates and critical details remain sharp and visible, giving you confidence in every situation. But this isn't just about recording. It's about protection. The A810's features AI-powered motion detection and 24/7 parking surveillance, keeping watch over your vehicle even when you're away. With optional 4G connectivity, you can remotely monitor your car in real time, receive alerts, and stay connected no matter where you are. Built-in GPS tracking logs your speed and route, while Wi-Fi connectivity makes it easy to access and share footage directly from your smartphone. For added safety, the integrated ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, provides smart alerts like lane departure and forward collision warnings, helping you stay aware and react faster on the road. The dash cam also includes loop recording to automatically overwrite old footage and time-lapse mode for efficient long-term parking recording without draining storage. At number 3, the Wolfbox G900. The Wolfbox G900 rear view mirror camera is more than just a dash cam. It's a complete upgrade to your driving experience. Designed to replace your traditional rearview mirror, this sleek system combines advanced recording technology with a stunning 12-inch full touchscreen, giving you a wider, clearer view of everything happening around your vehicle. Up front, the G900 captures ultra-sharp 4K video, while the rear camera records in crisp 2.5K resolution, ensuring that every detail, from license plates to road signs, is clearly visible. Whether you're driving through busy city streets or cruising on the highway, the wide-angle lenses provide maximum coverage with minimal blind spots. What truly sets this mirror dashcam apart is its immersive display. The large touchscreen streams real-time footage from both cameras, effectively eliminating rear-view obstructions caused by passengers or cargo. It also doubles as a smart backup camera, giving you enhanced visibility and confidence when reversing or parking. Equipped with WDR, wide dynamic range, and advanced night vision, the G900 automatically adjusts exposure to deliver balanced, high-quality footage in both bright daylight and low-light conditions. No matter the time of day, your recordings stay clear and usable. The built-in GPS tracking logs your speed and driving route, adding an extra layer of detail to your recordings, perfect for insurance claims or trip reviews. Plus, with the included 64 gigabytes memory card, you can start recording right out of the box without needing additional accessories. Easy to install and packed with premium features, the Wolfbox G900 is ideal for drivers who want full coverage, modern functionality, and a smarter way to stay protected on the road. At number 2, the Vieweroid S1. The S1 4K Infinite 2-channel dash cam is engineered for drivers who demand premium clarity, intelligent monitoring, and reliable 24/7 protection. Combining cutting-edge imaging with advanced safety features, this dual camera system captures every journey with stunning detail, both in front of and behind your vehicle. At its core, the S1 delivers ultra-clear 4K front recording paired with a sharp 2.5K rear camera, ensuring complete coverage of your surroundings. Whether you're navigating busy traffic or parked in a crowded area, every crucial detail, from license plates to unexpected incidents, is recorded with precision. Powered by the latest Darvis 2 sensor, this dash cam excels in low-light conditions. Its enhanced night vision technology captures brighter, clearer footage even in near darkness, making it ideal for nighttime driving and dimly lit parking environments. You can rely on consistent image quality regardless of lighting conditions. What truly sets the S1 apart is its intelligent 24/7 parking mode, transforming your car into a fully monitored zone. It detects motion, impacts, and unusual activity, automatically recording and securing footage when it matters most, even when your engine is off. With built-in 5G Wi-Fi, you can instantly connect your smartphone to preview, download, and share videos without delays. The integrated GPS tracking logs your speed and routes, adding valuable data to your recordings for enhanced security and documentation. Designed for convenience, the S1 features seamless loop recording to ensure continuous coverage without manual intervention. Its sleek, modern design blends effortlessly into your vehicle while delivering powerful performance behind the scenes. And finally, number 1. The Viofo A329S. The Viofo A329S 4K 60 FPS dashcam is built for drivers who want uncompromising performance, cutting-edge technology, and maximum reliability on the road. Designed as a premium dual-channel system, it captures breathtakingly smooth 4K 60 FPS front footage alongside a sharp 2K rear recording, delivering exceptional clarity and detail in every frame. What truly sets the A329S apart is its use of dual Darvis 2 sensors, ensuring superior image quality in both daylight and low-light conditions. From bright highways to dark city streets, this dash cam consistently produces crisp, balanced footage where license plates and critical details remain clearly visible. Speed meets convenience with integrated Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, allowing ultra-fast video transfers and seamless control through the dedicated mobile app. Whether you need to review footage, download clips, or adjust settings, everything happens quickly and effortlessly, right from your smartphone. For those who prioritize vehicle security, the advanced power-saving parking mode offers intelligent surveillance without draining your battery. It automatically monitors motion and impacts while optimizing energy usage, making it perfect for long parking periods or overnight protection. Storage is another standout feature. Unlike most dash cams, the A329S supports massive capacity, up to 4 terabytes SSD storage, ensuring you never run out of space, even when recording high-resolution footage continuously. Combined with loop recording, it provides worry-free operation with minimal maintenance. Engineered with precision and packed with high-end features, the Viofo A329S is more than just a dash cam. It's a professional-grade recording system for your vehicle. If you want the best of the best, this is it. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech guides like this. And don't forget, Links are in the description for the best deals right now. See you in the next one.